Okay, guys, so the proposal looks good so far. We're having our client meeting with Mr. Conrad next week. Neha, you're leading that presentation, yes? Okay. Good, good.
Hi guys. Just wanted to have a quick chat with you. So we have a new addition to our office. That's Khushbu. She is a candidate that's been appointed for our DEI program.
Please, have a seat.
Thank you.
Neha, she's going to be working under you directly for this project. Since she's a research analyst, it's going to be a great addition to the team.
So that's who she is, huh? मैं भी वही सोच रहा हूँ. What someone like it is doing in our company. I haven't seen one of them before. That's homophobic. क्या करते रहते हैं?
The DEI program is very valuable to us, guys, and we're very happy to welcome you through this, Khushbu. Please feel free to reach out to Neha in case you need anything, and she'll introduce you to this project.
Sure. Thank you so much, sir. Looking forward to working with all of you.
Hey, lunch खा लिया?
हाँ खा लिया.
Oh, I was asking because मैंने तुम्हें कैंटीन में नहीं देखा.
हाँ वो एक्चुअली मुझे अपना क्यूबिकल सेट करना था ना, तो I sat alone and I ate really quick.
Oh, you should join us for lunch कल से. I know you're new here, but यहाँ के लोग इतने भी बुरे नहीं हैं. अभी ऐसी कोई social butterfly नहीं हूँ. I work closely with Vijay sir and Pratul.
Okay.
Pratul.
So you must be going to all those parties and all, huh?
Sure, I guess.
Nice. Myself, Pratul Singh, working here since 2 years. Nice to meet you.
Same here, same here.
You know, I'm a total supporter of pride and all those things, huh? Never seen one of you before, but you can trust me here. No issues.
Great, one of us?
He's just a blabbermouth. छोड़ उसे.
Ouch, Neha.
Why would you say something like that?
By the way, do you know about our company's annual party next week?
Oh yeah.
I received a mail from HR.
Are you planning to come, Khushbu?
Sure, why not?
Hey, what about you, Neha? Are you bringing your plus one? Hey, you have about 8 days to find yourself a boyfriend.
Don't you have that quarterly report to work on?
यार ब्लैक एंड ब्लू. हाँ वाइट भी चलेगा.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, babe. Babe, listen. It's gonna look weird. How can we go together without... You don't know. You know how these people are here, no? Very dull. Of course, I'm gonna have that sent to you. Yeah. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hey,
Hey.
everything okay?
Yeah, just the usual. Listen, I need help with this presentation we're doing on Friday. I'm going to send you whatever I've done.
Okay.
The research part of it needs work.
Okay. Done.
Perfect.
Yo, what are you guys up to?
Just.
बहुत भूख लगी है यार. पनीर खाने का बहुत मन कर रहा है.
Complain somewhere else, no?
Anyway, want to hear about my super productive morning? मेरी वाइफ तो आज इतनी इम्प्रेस्ड हो गई, शॉक हो गई मेरे से. चल यही खा लेता हूँ.
वो क्वार्टरली रिपोर्ट का तुमने देखा?
खाने के टाइम पे नो काम की बात है. ओके.
वैसे भी नो काम की बातें ही होती हैं.
So annoying.
यू आर अनोइंग.
हेलो
हाय.
आज खाने में क्या खा रहे हो तुम लोग?
अचारी पुलाव.
My wife's lovely paratha.
And I have got paneer because someone was screaming for it. Pratul, this is for you.
No, you eat.
अरे लो.
You eat.
Can I try it?
Yeah, please.
So, what plans tonight, guys?
Nothing. Just chilling with my roommate.
Same. We are going out for dinner. हफ्ते में एक बार तो करते ही हैं सब.
Not that you guys asked, but tonight मेरी movie night है. निशा के साथ.
Nisha.
That's his daughter.
Oh,
The most adorable 6-year-old.
how sweet. I would like to meet her.
आज कौन सी मूवी पे ले जा रही है?
She's been obsessed with these animated movies. कौन सी आई है? क्या नाम है उसका?
Inside Out 2.
तुम दोनों सिंक में हो यार.
Full.
But you didn't sound excited about it.
I don't like these kind of movies यार. मैं नहीं देखता. She likes them तो देखना पड़ता है.
How typical, you know. It's actually a good film and you will like it.
Girly kiddie movie यार. What am I, gay?
What? Gay? What's so gay about Inside Out 2? And what is wrong with being gay?
तू lesbian है क्या? I need to get going, guys. God.
What a cliche thing to say.
He's just.
So leave it. You have your lunch. Neha, see what I got for you. You want to talk about something?
This is Kajol,
हाँ.
the one I was arguing with earlier.
Oh,
हम साथ में हैं.
wow. You guys look so cute together.
Don't tell anyone. I don't feel very safe here, but I don't mind sharing this with you.
Thank you. But even I want to tell something. See, your secret is completely safe with me. And I'm right here with you if you decide to come out or not. वो सब छोड़, ये बता इससे कब मिला रही है?
ऑफिस पार्टी में ले आओ.
नहीं, कोई फिल्म देखने जाते हैं.
इनसाइड आउट 2 देखने चलते
नहीं,
हैं.
कोई और. क्या नहीं मिला बोल रहे हो? What are you trying to say?
Good morning.
What a surprise! I love your earrings today.
Thanks. काजोल ने दिया.
कल का मेरा presentation मिला with the material for the presentation.
Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Hello guys. Good afternoon. What's up?
Good afternoon.
जी सर फोन में लगी पड़े. लगता है आज का दिन अच्छा गया सबका.
चाय, फोन, रिपोर्ट यही सब है.
Nice.
खुशबू, अगले हफ्ते जो पार्टी हो रही है उसमें तुम किसको बुला रही हो?
My best friend Shreya. Why?
हाँ बेस्ट फ्रेंड यानी कि तुम सिंगल हो. थैंक यू. चल.
Did you guys just say?
Yeah.
What was that?
Must be a joke, यार. Chill.
Joke.
Anyways,
Hey, I wanted to apologize to you about morning.
Nah, yaar, it's okay. I'm glad that he corrected himself. Can you imagine रोज वही सुनना पड़ता है मुझे आके?
अरे it's okay ना. It happens.
Happens.
Even I had trouble here the first week. Okay. Vishnu still does, even now. Can you really blame him? Okay. Not that you're hard to see as a woman, okay? But होता है ना? Okay, you are more feminine, ठीक है? But it's still not that easy to tell, na?
You just need to shut up, Pratul. I'm sorry, I don't understand you.
Khushbu, you can't expect this much from people, yaar. People accept you here, and sometimes the difference can just be too much. Hey, guys, don't get me wrong. It's just how the world works. Just relax. I'll see you guys later.
यही सब के बारे में I wanted to say कि you can always report it to the HR.
यार छोड़ना नहीं, हाँ. मैं ऑफिस में काम करने आऊँ या फिर ये सब फालतू चीज़ों पे ध्यान देने के लिए?
But अगर ये रोज होगा
नहीं यार,
will...
listen. I expect you to understand out of all of them.
यार मूवी तो काफी वियर्ड है, पर माधुरी दीक्षित के लिए कुछ भी. हेलो.
हाँ.
मूवी में इतना खो गई क्या?
नहीं यार, just work, a bit stressed, that's it.
यार खुशबू तो ये सब क्यों बर्दाश्त कर रही है? You don't have to put up with all the crap at your office.
I know that, and I'm happy कि I found someone like Neha, you know, who understands me and supports me, especially after the receptionist guy incident. But there are other people also, Shreya. They don't like me.
You know, I think maybe Neha is right. तुम्हें शायद HR को अप्रोच कर लेना चाहिए.
और क्या बोलूँ बताओ कि लोगों को मेरे बाजू में बैठना पसंद नहीं है, मेरे आसपास से गुजरना पसंद नहीं है. इनफैक्ट वो लोग मेरा टिफिन तक नहीं खाते. तुम्हें ये पता है? That's how nice they are. And what proof do I have to file a report against them? सबको लगा मैं पागल हूँ. वैसे ही मुझे कोई सीरियसली लेता नहीं.
So much for being a progressive company.
छोड़ यार वो सब बातें छोड़. I don't want to talk about this right now. हम फिल्म देखने आए हैं. I'm going to get some popcorn. Do you want to join? तो चल 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 चल.
Thank you everyone for your attention and your inputs. They're duly noted.
I have to say, guys, Mr. Conrad was very impressed with our presentation and he loved the tour of the office as well. Pratul, please put in the WhatsApp message group that the client meeting will take place next week.
Nice photo. कब खींची? ये कौन है?
काफी टाइम हो गया. She's my roommate.
ओह. मुझे तुम्हें कुछ बताना है. I don't know what to do. I'm very confused.
Tell me. Pratul? You have to ask them to stop. What the hell? And if they say anything else, you have to tell me.
हाय श्रेया. हाँ यार, मैं अभी भी वो फ्राइडे नाइट की पार्टी जाने का सोच रही हूँ. हाँ पता है, मुझे भी लगा कि वहाँ पे क्यों जाऊँ, बट वाई टू अवॉइड इट.
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
Those were private messages, Neha.
I am talking about messages on a group chat with all the men from this office. The things you've been saying about us.
Guys, what's going on here?
और इतनी घिनौनी बातें मेरे और खुशबू के बारे में और बाकी सारी औरतों के बारे में. What?
अच्छा, तो अब ये एक वुमन है.
What?
Wait. Excuse me? What did you just say?
क्यों? कुछ गलत बोला मैंने?
हाँ, गलत है और unacceptable भी है. And I'm not letting this go this time.
अरे यार, but let what go up? Frankly, what is all this drama that you ladies and you Khushbu are doing?
You know, let's not just waste our time talking to him. We'll go to the HR and approach ourselves.
We anyway have enough proof.
Exactly.
हालत टाइट हो गई ना. तेरा क्या हुआ?
Good afternoon, sir.
Something horrible is happening in our team. There's this group on WhatsApp with all the men in it, and they've been saying some horrible things. Pratul has it on his WhatsApp. Pratul, show.
Yeah. So there you go.
These messages are terrible. Do you want to report this?
Yes, sir. I thought your help would be appreciated.
It will, yes. Like I said, Khushbu, when you joined, Karthik sir is there to help you for all your needs.
Thank you, sir.
I do want to make sure of one thing though. Are you sure you don't want this to be an anonymous report?
Sir, I did consider it for a moment. But I thought that anyone would know about it, so I thought of complaining.
I agree. Okay, forget about the others. I'm glad you brought this to me. I will support you and I will take you through this process for 100%.
Sir, if you don't mind, then can we have some diversity and inclusion based policies? Some sensitivity based training? Because the session we had before Khushbu came, it did not help her from these indirect abuses and all these microaggressions, sir. I mean, if that's something that our company can look into, then I'm sure that we can really support people from this community.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a great idea. Thank you for offering it. I'll definitely look into that.
Thank you, sir.
What was that? I don't know if you're aware of this. This is completely against our company policies. This is a very unacceptable behavior. I'm disappointed that you brought me to this point where I have to let you know that both of you are suspended. No, you're suspended.
I like it.
Looking all pretty and all, huh?
Gazab.
है ना?
Kajol, you're looking like a professional makeup artist.
अच्छा, and Shreya, professional sari draping.
By the way, guys, I am ready and I'll see you then. Bye.
See you.
Bye.
See ya.
चल, let's take a selfie first.
अरे वो नेहा आंटी, निशा आपका इंतजार कर रही है. Hi, I'm Pratul.
Hi, nice to meet you.
This is Kajol, my girlfriend.
अरे आप ही का तो फोटो है इसके डेस्क पे.
Stop.
Hey, thanks for telling me. Appreciate it. Let's go.
Let's
go. Nisha would be really happy to meet you,
Chalo,
Kajol.
chalo.
Huh?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
चल जल्दी.
निशा मैडम आपकी अटेंशन डिमांड कर रही है नहीं आप?
अरे अब जब उसके पास इतने सारे कूल आंटीज है ना,
हाँ।
तो वो अकेले नहीं छोड़ने वाली। हाँ।
We don't mind.
और
हाँ।
इस वीकेंड उसका बर्थडे है और आप सब इनवाइटेड हो कॉर्डियली।
अच्छा बाय द वे, केक कटिंग के बाद हम सब मूवी देखने जाएंगे। Which one?
Inside Out 2.
तुम आओगे?
इतनी भी बुरी नहीं है, ओके? अच्छा, अगर आप दोनों आओगे ना, तो मैं देख लूंगा। डील?
Deal done.
Done. Cheers.